Theresa from Cheeky Monkeys.
Hi, I'm Lou from Kinder Red.
Today we'll be participating in a physical activity called hop and jump. This activity can be played both indoors and out. What you'll need is some coloured paper, a marker and scissors. Then take your marker, trace your feet around the coloured paper, then get somebody's help and carefully cut out your feet with the scissors. Place your feet on the floor and let the fun begin. The children will now demonstrate how the game is played. Physical activity allows children to develop gross motor, movement, balance and coordination skills. Have fun! Thank you for watching. We hope you like this activity.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.